Element and Compound Research Project by Aidan Cullen and Jake Birdwell.
The metal that we chose to study is cobalt. The symbol is CO, atomic number is 27, and it was discovered in 1737 by George Brandt in Stockholm, Sweden. Some of its common uses are, first, replacing radium salts for cancer treatment. Second, a base ingredient in magnets, glassware, and ceramics. Its physical properties is that it has a mass of 58.93 grams, a melting point of 1,495 degrees Celsius, and is also both conductive and magnetic. Cobalt chloride is somewhat reactive. It reacts with oxygen and air and most acids to form hydrogen gas. Fun fact, the name cobalt comes from the German word Kobold, meaning goblinoir.
The compound we chose for cobalt is cobalt-2 chloride. Its common uses are in invisible ink, and cobalt chloride is used to test the presence of water leaking through tiny cracks in pipes or porcelain. And finally, it's used for adhesive and sealant chemicals. So its physical properties, its melting point is at 735 degrees Celsius. Its molecular mass is 129.833 grams per mole. It is soluble and conductive, and it's pink to red solid with slight sharp odor. Its chemical properties are it dissolves readily in water and alcohol, it can react with most acids to produce hydrogen gas, and it turns from blue to pink when hydrated. And a fun or surprising fact is cobalt-2 chloride is the base compound used for creating other cobalt compounds in tattoos. The non-metal that we chose to research was phosphorus. Its symbol is P. Its atomic number is 15, and it was discovered in 1669 by Hennig Brand in Hamburg, Germany. Its common uses are in flares, it's commonly used in fertilizers, and it's in steel to increase corrosion resistance. Its mass is 30.974 grams. Its melting point is 44.15 degrees Celsius. It's not conductive or magnetic, except for black phosphorus. Its chemical properties are it reacts with water to emit light and small amounts of heat. This is called chemiluminescence, and it will spontaneous inflame when exposed to air. A fun fact, Hennig Brand discovered phosphorus collecting buckets of urine. He treated it and eventually found that it glowed in the dark, and thus named it cold fire.
Our molecular compound is phosphorus pentachloride. It's commonly used in pesticides, water treatment chemicals, and flame retardants. Its physical properties are that it's a colorless solid, has a molar mass of 208.224 grams per mole, and is soluble but not conductive. Its chemical properties is that it undergoes hydrolysis when mixed with water. And when the temperature or pressure is changed, it will undergo violent chemical changes, thus making it unstable. Finally, it reacts with alcohol to make alkyl chlorides. Fun fact is that just breathing phosphorus pentachloride in is enough to kill you.
Thanks for listening, Mr. Pagano. We hope you enjoyed.